Yeah, man. I just got here. It's funny, I could have sworn I saw another train down there. Oh, sweet. Let's key the 150th Canadian anniversary of Via Rail 40 there. Yep. And the zoom is sticking. It's raining pretty good. It's funny I should say that is all. Here comes another train. Ah, late night Via. Must be coming from Toronto. At this time it's like almost 10 o'clock. I heard recently that Via got some money from the government to rebuild all the Bud cars. Just goes to show you how these LRC cars don't cut the mustard as much. And look at that, there's another locomotive. Yeah.